In order to deal with the problems of the persons with disabilities, the Government of India has enacted the Persons with Disabilities Act in the year 2016. In the year 2016, Government of India enacted Rights of the Persons with Disabilities Act to fulfill its obligation to the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, which India ratified in the year 2007. This new act, which was enacted in the year 2016, replaced the existing act, that is Persons with Disabilities Act of 1995. The new act provides for the access to the inclusive education, vocational training and self-employment of the disabled persons without discrimination, and buildings, campuses and various facilities are to be made accessible to the persons with disabilities, addressing their special needs. Now let us highlight the salient features of the Rights of the Persons with Disabilities Act. The Act has defined disability based on the evolving and dynamic concept of the disability. The types of disabilities have been increased from existing 7 to 21, and the central government will have the power to add to more types of the disabilities. So these are the 21 types of the disabilities which are mentioned in the Act, such as the blindness, low vision, leprosy, hearing impairment, locomotor disabilities, dwarfism, intellectual disability, mental illness, autism, etc. The Act also defined the persons with the so-called benchmark disabilities, which means those certified to have at least 40% of the disabilities specified above. Now the rights and entitlements under the Rights of the Persons with Disabilities Act. Under this Act, responsibility has been cast upon the appropriate governments to take effective measures to ensure that the persons with disabilities enjoy their rights equally with others. It is also stipulated in the section 3 that no person with disability shall be discriminated on the grounds of disability. The Act also includes provision of additional benefits such as the reservation in higher education 5%, reservation in government jobs 4%, reservation in allocation of the land and property elevation schemes 5%, etc. As per the Act, every child with benchmark disability between the age group 6 and 18 years shall have the right to the free education. Now punishments for violation of the provisions of the Rights of the Persons with Disabilities Act. Whoever intentionally insults or intimidates a person with disability or sexually exploits a woman or child with disability shall be punishable with imprisonment between 6 months to 5 years with a fine. Special courts will be designed in each district for this purpose to handle cases concerning with violation of the rights of persons with disabilities.